which I'm going to use to make breakfast, lunch. Sorry, guys, this is a Chinese store. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while I started my vlog like this. It looks somehow, but I believe I'm going to get used to this. How are you guys doing this evening? So I'm heading out since this week. Today is Friday. Since this week, my daughter has been complaining of being tired of stew, that he wants potato and some veggies. So he wanted me to make stir fry, but I can't. I just okay. Let me just do potato porridge and some stir fry for her. So I'm heading out this evening to go and get it. I'm craving okra soup too. To go and get these things which I'm going to use to make it. Because tomorrow I have a lot to do in this house. I don't want to leave this house, and I have somewhere going as well. So let me start my vlog today, Friday, and take you guys through all I'll be doing. It's Friday and Saturday. Okay, see you guys. Let's go, guys.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off every load. One time, kids sit down in a class and we both then only see the road and we go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing. And you know it's warm up to be a fire thing. Jump on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just saw ya. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on the man. It's me up to thank God for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the road. One time, kids sit down in a class and we both then only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him a drop. Read from me the light. You know, some my person ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus.
It's done jazz, yeah, done jazz. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like with the job or the tomato, then you go catch up. Oh, yeah, cool, I so blame them all. You go do your one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God. Make them they talk. I saw they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
So I'm back. You saw this when I show you guys. Hey, how are you? Fine. And then they come and say hi. Say hi. Never come this way. Say hi. Hi. I never say hi. Let's unbox this together. Guys, will you let me unbox this? I know I. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. And I just woke up. I think let me start my vlog because I'll be doing a little cleaning this morning. And also I'll be cooking that potato porridge. And I'll be going out to get a few things for the house. So let me start my vlog this morning. I'll take you guys through it again. Hope you guys are fine. How you spending your Saturday? Indicate it in the comment section because mine I normally do some cleaning, but sometimes I don't cook at all on Saturday. But just tell me how your Saturday is going and what you do when it is Saturday. Let me know in the comment section. Okay? See you.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I did what I got when them kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonnet. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life.
Hi guys. So I finished cleaning and I've given the kids their breakfast. And also I brought us the things which I'm going to use to make breakfast, lunch. So now I'm heading out. I just find out that my dress, which I prepared to wear for church tomorrow, loose at the back. So I'm going to take it to the tailor for her maidmate, one Nigerian tailor. Yeah, I'm taking it to her this afternoon. So I will see you guys when I go back. Okay, bye guys. Guys, this is a Chinese store. So cute. This design. Hope you are not lost. Different things for us. This one is so fine. This.
You light up my life, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
She give me temperature. I'm because it's time. Hold you for me.
Has been sitting in my kitchen for a while now. He has been sitting here, my new boy. Don't bust this one. Come like this. What is this? Okay, this is the manual. First is a glass. I used to have one glass, but they are very nice and they last longer. And if I did not mention the name of the blender before now, this is the name Coppa Fulatore. Fulatore means blender in English. In Italian, it's a Fulatore. The name is Coppa. This product, I've had it so many times. It's very, very nice. Their product is so good. Let me remove this. And I have this here. This one is the one that is going to the blender. Here is the cover. And the last one, this. So let me couple this. I'll be back. So guys, it's like this. You put this inside. Lock it very well. Voila. The cover is remaining. This is it. It's so cute and I like it. I've had one before. It lasted long. Yes, I always go for that one that will last. It really costs more than a set, but it lasts long. Remember the set I bought before? This one cost 32, a bit 35 euro. That one was 40 euro, but this one is odogo. This one blend everything. It's really, really nice. I like it. All right, people. I would say this is the end of this vlog. This vlog has been long since on Friday till Saturday. This is Saturday, 6 p.m. And I would say if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. Let me grow, please, people. All right.